everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Irina, and I make these little videos with talks on either Germanic languages or Norse culture. Feel free to explore some of my other videos and also check out my Facebook page. You can also find me on academia.edu and asian.eu, everything in the description. If you enjoy the topics I am dealing with, please leave me comments and likes, and especially follow me, so subscribe. Today's topic for you is something related to the vocabulary of the Swedish language. This time I'm going to introduce to you some of my favorite words in slang. These are all adjectives. I am planning to do some videos on verbs and nouns as well. With the mention that I am not a native speaker of this language, obviously, but I am doing my best, and I've also been teaching this language for some time now. Okay, let us proceed with the first word I chose for this list, and this is the word Strawlander. Strawlander means something like brilliant or extraordinary, so it's a very positive word. As synonyms, we can think of fantastisk or lysande. And as an example, so I chose something a little pessimistic. So få av oss tror på en strålande framtid. Few of us believe in a brilliant future. Word number 2 from the Swedish vardagsspråk or slang. This is a word also a very positive one, also working as some kind of an enforcer near another adjective, and this is the word fett. So this not only means like oily, greasy. It also means something really good, like fett bra, for example. Fin, schysst are also some other words to illustrate this. So, for example, if I say something like jag har en chans att göra någonting fett på min nya arbetsplats. I have the chance to do something cool, great at my new workplace. Or fett bra, like I said before, you can also use another adjective next to it. Okay, I'm going to continue with this time a negative word, which is kass. So kass means something like worthless, värdelös, or bad in the sense of broken as well, dålig, tråkig. So, for example, varför ska du inte köpa en ny mobil? Den här är kass. Why not buy a new mobile phone? This one is broken. Okay, the next one I chose for the list is taskig. So taskig means mean, elak is another word for it. So for example, varför är du så taskig mot din lillebror? Why are you so mean to your younger brother? The next word on my list is pank, which is again something related to the current situation of many of us, because it means broke. You can also say pengalös or barskrapad or bankrutt, so like in English. For example, kan jag få lite pengar av dig? Jag är verkligen pank. So may I borrow some money from you because I am completely broke. The next word is bussig. This bussig means something like nice, amiable, willing to do something for someone else. So for example, kan du skicka dit en bil? Är du bussig? So please be nice and send a car here. Okay. The next one, so I'm alternating between positive and negative. The next one is lack, which is a negative word meaning upset. So you can use arg, which is probably the most common word to use for when being upset, and also sur, meaning the same thing. So ta det lugn, du behöver inte bli så lack. So please calm down, you don't need to get this upset. The next word on the list would be taggad. Taggad is when you're very excited about something, so enthusiastisk, or another slang word for it would be uppeppad. So for example, jag är så taggad inför min semester. I am so excited before my vacation. Yes, pay attention to this word semester, also a very typical Swedish word, false friend. It means vacation in this language. All right, moving on to the next one, korkad. Korkad is something like stupid or dumb, or a little tad nuts. Dum you can also say, or trög, or knäpp. There are really a lot of terms you can use to describe this particular status. For example, det var så korkat att lita på honom. It was so messed up so stupid to trust him. Okay, and the next one would be bakis. This is a nice, cute word, which is actually a short form of bakfull, meaning hungover. So, for example, drick mycket vatten så att du inte behöver vara bakis imorgon. So drink a lot of water so as to not get hungover, feel hungover the next day. Okay, these were my adjectives from the Swedish slang vocabulary, svenska vardagsspråk. And if you enjoyed them, please like and subscribe. If you are Swedish or maybe a speaker of another Scandinavian language and you want to share some other words, adjectives particularly, from the slang part of the vocabulary, please feel free to leave me a comment. I am very excited. Jag är mycket taggad to see what words you have besides these I already presented to you. Thank you very much. Tack så mycket, and see you next time. Keep healthy. Take care.